You can't get me. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. To
Bring me back to life.
You needed me? Thank you. Hi. Is there a problem? You okay?
That's not how you treat him.
I'm a doctor. Okay. You know. I broke a pinky. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Is it bad if she's not breathing? I need a doctor. Call me a doctor. I need a doctor.
To bring her back to life.
You called? She's not breathing. Oh my. Is that bad? Yeah. Okay, hold your breath for a little while and see how you feel. Mom! See? She's not that enough. See that? Her breath stinks.
I need the doctor.
Called?
Yes, I did.
What's the problem?
I think I broke my ankle. Ow!
Oh, doesn't sound good.
I don't know.
Or just... You are a doctor. Hey, that's a thought.